I've had so many deliveries, so many goodies arrive. I've got books, I've got fabric, I've got envelopes that I've not opened yet, and I've got a delivery from Missouri Star. So I thought we could open them together. Hi, I'm Tamsin from the Beginners Quilting Hub, and I share my quilting, everything to do with quilting, and who doesn't love an unboxing video when it's their favourite hobby? So let's get into it. Now the first, I'm going to have to move these around. The first thing I thought we could open up is the delivery from Missouri Star. I've just ripped off the address label. This box is really heavy, and I know there's one thing in here. That I do know that was due to arrive, and that's the backing for the Churn Dash Dance quilt, the Halloween quilt. So I know that that's in here, but this box feels a lot heavier than just that one pack of fabric. So I can now see what's inside. This is the first thing. So this is Ghostly Greetings, Small Pumpkins, light pink, and there's 5.5 yards in here, and this is going to be the backing fabric for the Churn Dash Dance quilt. I love it. It's always difficult, isn't it, when you're trying to order fabric online and get it to match the thing that you've already made. But this, when I saw this, I just knew it was going to be perfect. Now obviously it's pink, it's got pumpkins. What better for a Halloween quilt? Really impressed with that. Now I mentioned to them that I was really interested in looking at some of the Kona solids. So they've sent me 3. Oh, and I've just found the chuck. So this is Flat Chuck 2025. Howdy partner. Where's the camera? Here we go. Howdy partner. Howdy partner. I loaded up my chuck wagon with your order and brought it right to your door. Brilliant. This is in aid of their birthday bash, which is this month in September. That's so cute. So I've got the Kona Cotton Dove. This is gorgeous. So it's kind of a really, really light grey. This is going to look absolutely stunning as a background fabric. Then I've got Kona Cotton Holly. So there's 2 yards in there, 2 yards in there. So this is holly. This is a really good Christmassy green. And 2.5 yards of tomato. This equally would be a good Christmas. Let's get this in camera. Would be a really good Christmas colour. Thank you so much, Missouri. That's amazing. And now we've got this, it's time to actually get that quilt finished. Right, that's the first box. Put them on my chair. Now the second delivery, I have taken out the box because the box was massive and unwieldy. So that's now in the recycling. But I ordered this. So I actually won an award at work, a little monetary award. Oh my goodness, quite some time ago now, within the last year, but potentially nearly a year ago. And I wanted to buy myself a full Laurie Holt fabric collection. So I ordered the Prairie fabric collection. So I've got, and I haven't had a proper look at this yet, and I won't show you every fabric because Laurie's collections are enormous. I think there's 42 or 44 fabrics in here, but I'll just give you a little flick through. That's the back. That's not very helpful, is it? Here we go. I mean, this this is so cute. Look at this. Such cute designs. And I don't have much of the Prairie fabrics. I do have like mix and match of others. But I wanted to have the whole collection. I think I've got some of this in different colours. They're so cute. There's so many, it actually comes in 2 massive bundles. So that's the first bundle, and then there's a whole nother bundle, which I think are the pinks and reds. So that previous bundle was all the greens and the blues, and then these are the bright colours. Look at these, which is obviously my favourite part of the bundle. Gingham, little florally ones. A cheetah print. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, wow. Look at this. So this is all of the fabrics, and then with extra little themed little patches on. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. that's going to make a really cute little bag. But yeah, so just a few more. So we've got some pinks, and I think this is one of my favourites. I've got this in blue, in the blue. I already had this in the blue, so I knew I was going to love this collection. And then there's some really gorgeous neutrals at the back. Laurie does do some amazing kind of neutral background fabrics. Look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to fold these all into little fat quarter size, and then we'll find a space for them on the shelf of fabric. I might put away the little stack of white fabric that I've got and actually put this out. Look at this. Gorgeous. Right. Oh, look at this one. Black. That's cute. I really like that. So yeah, so I'm going to fold all these up nicely into fat quarter, you know, nice bundles, and then they can all go up on my shelf until we decide what we're going to do with them. So that's bundle number 2. Oh, and the cheetah print. Let's put that there. Right, next up, I ordered, it's called So in Love by Adidas Sitar, and it's laundry basket quilts. And this book is just... it's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So it's got the pattern inside to make the cover quilt, which is kind of all this lovely florally fabric, and it's all in the pinks and the reds. So if pink and red is your jam, it's well worth considering this book. I think it was £27, so they're quite expensive. It's quite an expensive book, but there's so much in here, and there's individual patterns for all the blocks. There's different layouts. There's different patterns in the back. There's this candy box quilt, different layouts. Look at this one. Isn't that, let me just hold this up. Isn't that gorgeous? So there's all different quilts in the back. Oh, that's sweet. Using kind of one block to create, you know, these huge, extraordinary quilts. I love this one. Really like that one. Oh, get that in the shot. And it's got a little bit in the front, just a little bit explaining everything. And it shows you the fabric collection that this book was written based on. This is all laundry basket quilts. Fabrics. Oh, it's just gorgeous. And this is a beautiful book, so this is going to go up on my shelf once I've had a really good pour through it. Right, let's have a look. So, yes. So this is from Woolly Woolly Sheep Sheep, which is just the funniest name. Okay, I got carried away. So you will have seen these in my this week's QuiltTube video, just showing you a little bit about the vlog, and I mentioned that I'd ordered some of these heart in hand cross stitch patterns. Now they are, I mean, I'm obsessed with houses. Anything that's got a house in it, I want it, whether it's decoration, pictures, photographs, cross stitch, quilts, whatever. I'm obsessed to buy them. And I couldn't quite believe my eyes when I came across Heart in Hand needle art, and they'd created all of these patterns featuring little streets with a different theme. So I'm going to quickly show you the ones that I've got, and there's a lot more, and I'm probably going to order them, aren't I? I mean, let's be real. So this is more Anytown, Tiny Town. Okay, there. This is Anytown, Tiny Town. So they're all different. They all use different threads. They all use different little buildings. They've all got little sayings on them. This is one of my favourites. This is Frosty Tiny Town. All in the blues and the reds. I love that one. This is Halloween Tiny Town Halloween. Isn't that gorgeous? Little pumpkins stacked up. And this is Thankful Tiny Town. This is really cute as well. And then I've got Quilted Tiny Town, and I have actually decided this is going to be the first one because this is the first one that I saw, and I want to make this one immediately. So I've actually got the embroidery flosses to make this. this one, and they're here. Not bright, they're quite muted, but they are absolutely gorgeous. Let's just hold them up so you can see. So they've got some lovely browns, some like mustardy oranges, mustardy yellows, these kind of dark rosy pinks, pinky purple colours, and these gorgeous blues, 3 different blues. I'll be sure to show you how I get on with those. And then the final envelope is, oh, some more. So this is from the Talking Dog Stitchery. And these are 2 that I ordered the others, and then I kind of went searching to see what other ones you can get. And I came across these 2. And when you see these, you'll understand why I had to have them. This is called Blooming Tiny Town. I mean, it's just beautiful. And then the Big Hearted Tiny Town, which is again all the reds and pinks. Now my aim is not to start all of these immediately. I want to do one, finish it, and do the next one. And I'd quite like to turn them into little cushions is my goal. So this is going to be my kind of, I'm going to learn how to do them on this one. So this is my first one. And the stitches are going to be tiny, but the finish is going to be tiny. I think the finish is 11 inches wide by less than 2 inches tall. So they are tiny. When they say tiny town, they are tiny. You know, some of these houses are like less than an inch, but they're going to be so cute. And then imagine them all in little cushions in a little bowl and just on display for the seasons. I just love the idea. So yeah, that's it. That's my haul. Wow, that's my little unboxing for you. I'm going to get all of these organised now. I'm going to have to figure out a way of storing my cross stitch. I have got one other parcel that's due, but it's probably not due for another week. And I got some fusible interfacing because I want to make some of these really cool project bags that I've seen other cross stitchers making, with a zipper, put the pattern in, put the, you know, put all your flosses in and keep everything organised. Because at the moment I've just got them in a really boring black display folder, which is not ideal because if I tip it upside down, everything's going to fall out. So I need to learn how to make them, put the zips in, and then hopefully we can make out a few. But I'm thinking that some of the fabrics that Laurie Holt makes, such as these cheetah prints, would make such cute project bags, don't you think? Imagine having little project bags with the Laurie Holt cheetah print on them. You know, I just think that'd be lovely. And I've got more than one of these from different collections. So these would make awesome project bags. Yeah, so that's it. I just thought you might be interested to know what deliveries I've had this week, and I like unboxing them with you and showing you what I've been ordering. I do not need any more of these, but I feel like I always get panicky that things are going to go out of print that I want, and I do want the entire collection. But Christmas is coming up, so I think I might put them on my Christmas list. There's a seaside one. Okay, I'm going to go and Google them now. You know I'm going to go and Google them now. I'll see you in my next video.